Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a short video for you on the basic proportions of the face. So what I did was I started by drawing a 6 centimeter line straight down, as you can see there, and then found a center point and drew a 6 centimeter line across, 3 centimeters either side. And that center line itself will give you, that is the eyebrows, but using the 4 points down on the extremes of each line, I drew a circle. Okay, and then the center line is the eyebrows, and the bottom of the circle is nose. Okay, then I split it into quarters. Okay. So I split the circle into quarters, and the top quarter, that's the hairline. Okay, then the second quarter, of course, is the middle again, that's the eyebrows, and the last one, of course, is the bottom of the nose. So then from the hairline to using that measurement to the bottom of the circle, I found a point below that, so it created 3/3. So I split that in half from the top of the hairline to the bottom of the nose, split that in half, and then add half again to get the bottom of the chin. Okay, and then you just join it all up. Then to find the width of the nose, go from the corner of the eye Okay, actually before that you have to put in the eyes, so this is an important one. The eyes is 5 wide and it's just below the eyebrows there. Now it can differ on people, but keep it very close to the eyebrows. And do 5 spaces across, starting with the middle one, and then split the other sides of it in 2, and then you'd have 5 across. So you'd have the 2 eyes. Then from the corner of the eyes straight down, 2 lines straight down to the bottom of the circle, give you the width of the nostrils. And then when you draw on the pupils in the eyes, the start of the pupils straight down on either side will give you the width of the lips. Now to get where the center line of the lips is, from the bottom of the nose to the chin, divide into 3 segments. And the first third, the line across from there, will be the center line of the lips. Finishing with the ears, it goes from the middle of the eye down to the bottom of the nose. On both sides, of course, unless you're in the circus and you prefer to put it somewhere else. Okay, listen, thanks a lot for joining me again today, and if you have any comments or would like me to do something else, just leave it in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you could, that'd be great, and join me again soon. Thanks a lot. Hope this helps. Bye bye.